Hey there, I'm Caroline Esterson, your host, and welcome to Out of Office for Now, the Redundancy Reset series. If you found yourself suddenly jobless, restless, or frankly just questioning everything, you are in the right place. This isn't a pity party, it's a 5-day reset to get your confidence, clarity, and hopefully sense of humour and self back. So grab a brew, take a breath, and let's make today's little move count. You ready? Yesterday, we talked about the shock of redundancy and how to anchor yourself again. Today, we're talking confidence. What happens when yours packs its bags and legs it the moment your job title disappears? Spoiler alert, you can get it back faster than you think, so let's reset. Losing your job messes with your head because confidence is usually tied to context. You had a role, a rhythm, people asking you for your opinion, and suddenly, silence. No one's pinging you for advice. Your inbox is tumbleweeds, and your brain, being the bit of a drama queen, says, well, that's it then. Clearly, I never was that good. Absolute rubbish. You didn't lose your competence. You just lost your audience. Confidence is a performance state. It lives in action, not imagination. You can't think your way back to it. You do your way back to it. Think of confidence like signal strength. When the Wi-Fi drops, you don't throw the router out of the window. You move closer to the source. So today we're going to move literally and mentally towards that signal again. After redundancy, 3 big leaks usually appear. The first is comparison. You scroll LinkedIn and decide everyone else is thriving. They're not. Half those exciting announcements are scheduled posts from 3 months ago. Leak 2, language. You start saying things like, I was in marketing, or I used to lead a team. Stop that. Stop it right now. You are still those things. The tense matters. And leak 3, over-explaining. You start giving the full backstory before anyone's even asked. It screams apology. Confidence loves brevity. Try. My role was made redundant, so I'm taking a beat to choose my next move wisely. Job done. Dusted. That's all you need. Here's what the research says. Confidence doesn't come from pep talks. It comes from evidence. Tiny wins stacked up over time. That's why today's exercise is all about creating a quick, undeniable proof point that your brain simply can't argue with. So your quick move for today is the 5-minute win. Pick one small, doable task that proves you're still brilliant at something that matters. Update a bullet point on your CV to make it more outcome-driven. Message a colleague to thank them for something special you achieved together. Reorganize your portfolio folder. Write down one success story you could tell in an interview. 5 minutes, that's all. When you complete it, say out loud, and I mean, yes, out loud, yeah, I've still got it. It's daft, I know, but your nervous system listens. Let me tell you something from supporting lots of people after job loss. The ones who bounce back fastest aren't the most qualified. They're the ones who keep moving, even when they really don't feel like it. Every tiny action builds a breadcrumb trail back to confidence. So if you've been sitting in that really weird, I'll start when I feel ready limbo, consider this your little nudge. Ready never shows up, but action does. So that's your little reset for today. Remember, confidence isn't found, it's rebuilt in motion. Tomorrow, we're talking about how to repackage your genius because your value didn't vanish, it just needs a new label. That's your reset for today. Remember, it's not about doing everything. It's about doing something. If this helped, please share it with someone else who might just be feeling a little bit out of office right now. I'll be back tomorrow with your next little move. Until then, chin up, shoulders back, and remember, You're still bloody brilliant, so make your move, even if it's tiny, especially if it's tiny.